Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to export the chat history in Line. Now let us begin. Take note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Initially what you guys have to do is simply go to any chat of your choice. Well, let's say I want to export this chat right here. At the top right, you can see a button like this. Click on it right now. Once you do that, these things will open up. From here, you can simply mute the chat or block him or simply invite other members. But right now, what you guys need to do is simply click on this button called as Settings. Click on it, and this is it guys. From here, you can see a button like this that says Export Chat History. Click on it right now. And that is it guys. Once you click on it, you can share it with yourself, online or Drive. You can simply share it and download it. Well guys, that is it. That's how you export chat history in Line. This is it guys. This is how you export chat history in Line. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.